Okay, this is Math-7. I'm going to talk about three problems on this handout, review simplifying expressions. Okay, so the first problem is number 13. You have 5 minus 1 minus n, and 1 minus n, they're inside parentheses. Okay, so if you remember what we did in class there, or if you missed Wednesday's class, then you need to pay attention here. Okay, so when you look at minus 1 minus n here, something that is definitely wrong is if you just take out the parentheses. So if you just do 5 minus 1 minus n, then this is not the correct way to do it. You're going to get a wrong answer because remember, there is a hidden 1 in front of the parentheses after the minus sign, like this. So in order to remove the parentheses, you're going to distribute this negative 1 into the parentheses. So you will do negative 1 times positive 1, and then negative 1 times n. So you copy 5 here, you just move it down. So you copy it, 5, and then negative 1 times 1 gives you negative 1, which is the same as minus 1. Then negative 1 times negative n is positive n. So you just write plus n. And so now you have 5 minus 1 equals n. Then you combine like terms. It's only 5 and minus 1 being like terms here, and it's not a like term. So you write your answer 4 plus n. So you can settle on this one, or you can write it properly by putting the variable in front of the constant, which is n plus 4. And that is your final answer. Okay, so now we have the next problem, which is number 17. Here you have 5 times x plus 2, and then minus 2 times x plus 2. Okay, the easiest way to do this problem is to separate the expressions into two separate expressions and then simplify them separately, and then we put them back together. Okay, so the first expression is 5 times x plus 2, and then the second expression, please don't leave out the minus sign here. The minus sign belongs to 2 here. So it is negative 2 times x plus 2. Okay? So the first expression is pretty easy to simplify. You're distributing 5 into the parentheses. So remember we talked about the square here. By now you should be really good at this. So you have x plus 2 and then 5 on the side. So you do 5 times x and then 5 times 2. So 5 times x, 5 times 2. So 5 times x gives you 5x, and then 5 times 2 is 10, so plus 10. So 5x plus 10. And now the next expression is a little trickier, but you do it the same way. So you have negative 2 times x, and then negative 2 times positive 2. So negative 2 times x, negative 2 times positive 2. Negative 2 times x gives you negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. Okay, so now you can just put these two back together. There's no special sign that you have to change or anything. So I'm just going to rewrite them together. 5x plus 10 minus 2x minus 4. Okay, and the next part is to combine like terms. So 5x and minus 2x, these two are like terms, so I'm just going to highlight them. So 5x and then minus 2x. Okay, another set of like terms. You have plus 10 minus 4. So plus 10 is a like term, and then minus 4 is another like term. So let's just combine them. 5x minus 2x gives you 3x. And then 10 minus 4 gives you positive 6, so you write down plus 6. Okay, so this is the correct answer, 3x plus 6. Okay, the last problem that I want to talk about is number 21. Okay, the original cost of a cell phone is X dollars. The phone is on sale for 35% off. Write a simplified expression for the sale cost. The original cost is X, and then the discount is 35% off. Okay, so to find the sale cost is original cost minus whatever you don't have to pay. So minus the savings. Saving is the discount. Okay, so let me write that down. You don't know what the sale cost is. That's what you're looking for, but you know the original price. And you don't know exactly what the discount is because the original price is a variable. Okay, so all you're just giving me an expression. You are not giving me a solid number as the sale price. So okay, so original is X and then minus the discount. Now the discount is 35% off. I will write 35% as a decimal. So 0.35, but that doesn't make sense. You can't have the price minus a percent. So you find out discount is 35% off the original cost. So that means it is 35% times X, or 0.35x. Okay, so X minus 0.35x is the same as 1x minus 0.35x. Okay, so you will subtract. So you have 1.00 minus 0.35. Okay, so you get 0.65, and I'm going to take the x back on, so 0.65x. That is your sale cost. And this is the simplified expression that you're asked to find. Okay.